Hello friends, welcome to SahuStudies. In this video, we are going to see or we are going to talk about array distinct function in Spark SQL. So why do we use array distinct function? So whenever there is a requirement to remove duplicates values from an array, we can use array distinct function. So it will use to remove duplicate values from the array, and this is the method signature. It is going to take one argument, that is array, and whatever the duplicates value it will present in that array, it will going to remove all the duplicates value. In this exercise, what I am just doing, I am just creating this table. So these are the attributes of the table. When the table gets created, with the help of this insert statement, I will going to insert some records in this table. When all the insert statement execute successfully, then I will going to write this query. What I'm just doing in this query, I am creating a CTE. CTE is nothing but a temporary table, and with the help of a collect list function, I am getting all the records from AP salary column and create a list. This is the column which has the data in the form of list. Once this list gets created, so what I am going to do, with the help of array distinct function, I will pass this list column. So what this array distinct function will do, it will remove all the duplicates value which is present in this list, and it will give you another array or array in this column. So array distinct will going to take one parameter, that is array list, and it will remove all the duplicates from that particular array list, and it will give you another column which has all the unique values. So let's do this exercise in Databricks. Let me create a notebook. Name it as array distinct. So to perform this exercise, we need one table and we need to insert some data into it. So we need two scripts. One is a table creation script and one is insert scripts. So to save time, I have already created both the scripts. Let me copy this table creation script. This is the table. This is the script to create the table. Let me copy it and paste here. Let me run it. Spark will going to create this table. This table has been successfully created. Now let's insert some records in it. So I have already created a couple of insert statement. So let me copy here and paste here. So Spark will going to execute each and every insert statement one by one. It will going to take a couple of minutes. So let's wait till each and every insert statement run successfully. Okay, all the insert statement have been executed successfully. Let's see the data. So these are the same data which we have inserted with the help of this insert script. So let's use array distinct function. But here we can see that none of the column is of an array type. So let's first create a column which is of an array type, and then we will going to use array distinct function. So we are going to use collect set function. It will going to take data from this AP salary and it will convert into a list, and that will maintain the duplicacy as well. Let me format here and sorry. and let me use the collect list function. Collect list, and we are passing AP salary. Let me give alias as AP salary list. Let me run it. Okay, so this array list we have created. Now let's put this select statement within a CTE. Let's run it. So this is the AP salary list which we have created with the help of a collect list function. It's take all the data from AP salary and convert into a list. Now it has a lot of duplicates. So if you want to remove the duplicates from this list, we use array distinct. Array distinct. And here we need to pass this array list. Let me run it. We can see this, it has only 3 elements. So if you just observe here in AP salary, there are 50 records are there and only 3 records are unique. That's why with the help of a collect list, we have created a list which has all the value, and those value has duplicates as well. But when we are going to apply this array distinct function on this list, this array column list, so it will remove all the duplicates from this array list and create another array list which has all the unique element. So in this video we have seen how we can remove duplicates from array list with the help of a array distinct function in Spark SQL. Let's go to the PPT. Thank you. If you like content of my video, then please subscribe my channel, like it, comment on it, and press the bell icon to get notification whenever I add videos.